For the first step, we want to head over to search and then type in check for updates. Click on it. Once you're on this page, you want to check for updates and do all the updates that you may have. For the second step, you want to uninstall any other antivirus that you have other than Windows Defender, because two antiviruses are not going to work at the same time. The way to do that is by heading over to search and then type in add or remove programs. Click on it. Once you're on it, you want to scroll down and then look for your antivirus that is not Windows Defender. Click on the three dots and click on uninstall. But if you don't see it here, then head over to search again and type in appwiz.cpl and click on it. And then you can also look for it down here on this list as well. For the third step, you want to head over to search and type in Windows Security. You want to right click on it and then click on App Settings. Once you're on this, you want to scroll down and then click on Repair and then see if that fixes the problem for you. If it hasn't fixed the problem, then click on Reset and then click on Reset again and then see if that fixes the problem for you. For the next step, we're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Then we're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Then we're going to type in SFC /scan now and click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. Once that scan's been completed, we're going to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health and click on enter. Once you do that, you want to run the scan as well and then restart your computer and the problem will be fixed.